Greetings! In this video I'm going to show you how to take a snapshot on your Samsung Galaxy smartphones. I'm going to first show you how to do like the older versions, like the S7, S8s, all the older versions. And then later I want to show you how to do the newer versions like the S22 and all the newer models, and show you how to snapshot something on your screen on those. It's pretty easy. They're both pretty similar. I want to first pose a question to you before we get into this. What was the most embarrassing thing that someone ever saw on your smartphone while you were with them? Whether it's a family member, a teacher, a friend. Let me know. Just make sure it's G-rated, and then at the end I'll tell you my story. Okay, so let's first go ahead with the older models, right? Like the S7. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the home button right here and the power button at the same time. And you're going to hold it for like 2 seconds until you hear like the camera. And make sure you're directly on it, because if you don't and you hit over here to the right, it'll mess it up. So let's go ahead and do that. And then immediately right down here, it's going to show you how you can edit it if you wanted to. You don't have to edit it, but if you wanted to draw on it, you can, or whatever. And so the next thing you do, if you want to access the picture, just go to Gallery. And it should be the very first one that pops up, so you can see there. And it'll be directly under Pictures, and you can download it on your computer or send it on email, whatever you want to do. Now, if you got an S22 or a newer model, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the down volume button, down volume, and then the power button at the same time. So you're going to hold the down button, volume button, and the power button at the same time. And it's literally the same thing I just showed you. And this, of course, is for the S22 and the later models. Now, my story. The most embarrassing thing that happened to me and someone saw on my phone. So me and my mom were both going on a diet together. We had like a goal to reach. And we were doing good for like 2 weeks. And we were eating like, salads and lean protein and exercise and doing great. But after the second week, I kind of got a little bit stir crazy. And then I started kind of binging a little bit on junk food, McDonald's, Burger King, all that good stuff. I was trying to hide it from her, which I know I shouldn't do as a son, but I was trying to hide it from her. And we went to Walmart, and then we went to the gas station, and then I had to go inside the gas station. She stayed in the car, and when I was coming out, the look on her face, and I realized then that she had looked on my phone and saw my DoorDash, what I was ordering, that I was ordering junk food. I was ordering hamburgers and fries and strawberry smoothies and stuff like that, and I immediately knew I was in trouble. Alright, so that's my story. Tell me your story. Put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.